In this question, you have to choose the correct statement. Option A, all reptiles have a three-chambered heart. It is incorrect because most reptiles have a three-chambered heart, but crocodiles have a four-chambered heart. Option B, all spices have gills covered by an operculum. It is also incorrect because bony fishes, which belongs to class Osteichthyes, have gills covered by an operculum, but cartilaginous fishes belonging to class Chondrichthyes, like sharks, they do not have operculum. Option C, all mammals are viviparous. It is also incorrect because most mammals are viviparous, but monotremes like the platypus or echidna, they are egg-laying mammals. Option D, all cyclostomes do not possess jaws and paired fins. Now, cyclostomes like lampreys and hagfishes are indeed jawless and they lack paired fins. Hence, it is the correct option.